Alright, so if you want to hide or turn off your location on Facebook from any iPhone, launch the app. From menu, go to settings, scroll down and enter device permission. In this list, you're going to tap on See Info on the location option. Scroll just a bit and then hit Update Settings. From this pop-up, tap on Open Device Settings. You'll be redirected to your Facebook location settings on your device. Just go ahead, tap on Location, and select Never if it's set to Always or while using the app. Don't worry, this won't disable your device's location. It only turns off location tracking for the Facebook app. Now, in case if you're seeing this option is grayed out and not clickable, you can't change it, don't worry, just open Settings on your device. From there, scroll down to Security and Privacy, to Location, and just toggle on the option. And then all the devices that's allowed location tracking will show up right at the bottom. Tap on Facebook, and simple, select Never from here. That's all. Thanks for watching.